Today I'm going to switch on this light, but I'm not going to use this light switch because this light can make all colors of the rainbow. I'm also not going to use this app on my phone to go from red to blue to green and all the colors in between. Instead, I will dance with an artificial intelligence, so welcome to the home office dance floor. This is how it works. On one end we have a camera and on the other a lamp. That lamp can be dark or bright, or a mixture of light with red, green and blue. So that is the data format the lamp can read. When we switch it off, the data will be complete darkness. When we switch it on, it will be full brightness. The camera creates an image as data. The human pose AI can take any image, no matter where it comes from. It then crunches a few numbers and returns data in a stickman format. Nobody has turned stickman data into color and brightness data yet, so I had to write a little code here. But that was the only place. The rest is possible thanks to great people before me. What you just saw is called flow-based programming, and the tool to create flows is called Nocode. It falls under a category called low code because it requires some programming skills. If no programming skills are needed, it would be called a no-code tool. But with those, you get less control. And here we have an AI that doesn't always behave, so I want a little more control. This is also good to explain what today's artificial intelligence can and cannot do. In this image, the AI has completely given up on its human. But in this image, even a toy's body pose is understood. This is because AIs need to be trained before they work. It seems this one has been trained on lots of normal body poses, so much that it can detect a human-like toy. Training this AI meant that people drew lots of stickmen on lots of images and gave it to the AI as input and output. Then the AI was told, figure out similarities and create a rule book from them. Now, when the AI gets new data, like our camera image, this data gets pushed into the rulebook and the stickman rules get applied. What we get back is the best fitting stickman for our image. AI is booming now and lots of it is open source, but few low-code projects are open source. With Meta Explorer, I'm working on an open source low-code tool myself, so I was really happy to find Node-RED. Node-RED being open source actually lets me share all of this with you, which in turn means you can turn stickman data into color as well, and just run the code that I shared with you here. And that's it. I leave links in the description and wish you a creative day.